Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're just on our way to field the peas here. I've been working on this 9500 here for a couple hours today and for part of the week to get ready to go. My brother's been combining in the 9600 for a couple days now. I finally got this one ready to go to join him. This is our quarter of peas, hay combined, 55 acres already, which he finished today and he moved over here. So just pulling in here. I think I have everything ready to go on this machine, but we're gonna find out here in a minute. Actually, I couldn't find one of the double chains here to hook up the header. I have that one there on, but the left side one here I don't have on. My brother has that in his combine, so I need to go find him and get that from him. I guess I shifted down too many gears here. I should be going like 7 miles an hour, not 4. There we go. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. The dad came and met me with that chain and my supper here. So now we can fire this thing up and make sure we're running good. Already see one problem, my cylinder speed light is on. So, to go and see what's going on there. Okay, so this arm here was not attached to that middle part. I think that's what I need to do, but we're about to find out if it works now. So, that fixed my cylinder problem, but we're gonna drop straw here, but the loop wire I have for the straw chopper sensor isn't working for me, so that alarm is going off. So either I need to fix that one or just live with the alarm, or maybe my brother has one in his combine that will work. Maybe we'll see here, but for now I think I'll start cutting here. I better actually shut this off while I start, because yeah. So the other trouble I'm having here is that I cannot get my fan RPM high enough. I'm supposed to set it at 1250 and I can only seem to get it up to 1160. And I remember something like this last year. I'm gonna go have a look at the actuator for that. See here, no peas in here, is there? There's a couple there. Yeah, that stuff's not too dry there. I think it's, oh, I could be wrong, man. That's my sensor. think it's on the other side then. Okay. Let's see, how does this work? Oh, here. The actuator is... That's the actuator. Yeah, I think I have that sucked all the way in. Yeah, it's moving it. I've just run out of space. Well, maybe we will run it like that for a bit. Let's pee. Yeah, I am seeing peas on the ground. Maybe not. I'll have to consult with the boss man here, my brother, and see what he thinks. That's good enough, so I think we will go with that then. The other thing is my crop divider here seems to be digging trenches. We'll see if that fixes itself or if that's something I need to fix. But we will kind of go around this part of the field here. We aren't too big of a hurry here. That's just my straw chopper alarm going. Yeah, it's a Saturday evening and yeah, the straw is maybe not completely dry, but not feeding from that side either. But we would like to get a Super B load done tonight. Hopefully, we'll see. If not, whatever. But then if we get a Super B load done, I think he can haul that to town on Monday morning then. So we can keep on mining. I don't have lifters on here. I have a bucket of them here. I don't think that's quite enough to do this header. Dad figured I did not need to bother with that. In some spots like this, I don't think I do, but oh boy, that grass might cause me trouble here. Hey, well, once again, I better focus here. So, in trouble with it feeding down in that corner there. There was a bunch of dirt built up, so I'm hoping that fixes it, or maybe there's a reason that the dirt is building up. Yeah, I'm just working my way around the side of this field here. I guess I'm supposed to cut this corner because this is what we want for straw. So, yep. So it's nearly 10 o'clock here now. We're just shutting down. My brother's just going home. Yeah, it's pretty wet. The straw's been wet kind of all day, but the peas are dry. And now that it's late, it's even worse. So we'll call it a night. Come back on Monday, and hopefully it dries up tomorrow, doesn't rain, and then we can get going with some dry peas on Monday. That'll be it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. There should be lots of harvest content yet. let me know what you want to see. I'm going to be doing a lot of baling, I think, in the near future of green feed and straw, and hopefully running combine and grain cart. So yeah, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.